Hi, I'm Richard Davis, President and CEO of Make-A-Wish America. And over the past year, we spent each day at Make-A-Wish preparing for the moment when every possible wish could safely move forward. We've approached this responsibility with a focus and diligence for your family's health and safety. Now, we've consulted with doctors and medical professionals throughout the National Medical Advisory Council, and we've been monitoring public health organizations like the CDC and the American Academy of Pediatrics. And based on their collective guidance, today we're making a big step forward in delivering hope to you, our Wish Kids, and our Wish families. I'm excited to share that Make-A-Wish will resume granting air travel wishes within the United States and its territories, as well as granting wishes involving large gatherings for vaccinated Wish families as soon as September 15th of 2021. All Wish participants, including your Wish Kid and any siblings, will need to be 2 weeks past completion of either a 1-dose or a 2-dose vaccine. While we won't ask for proof of vaccination, we'll ask for any adult participant to sign a letter of understanding that certifies that they and any minors participating in the Wish are vaccinated and understand the risks of traveling at this time. We understand that this change affects many families whose children aren't eligible for the vaccine yet, and also know that there are families who aren't ready to get the vaccine, and we respect everyone's freedom of choice. This decision was made in keeping with our long-standing policy to allow medical professionals to ensure that the wishes we grant are considered safe and appropriate, given that the Wish Kids are some of the most vulnerable among us. Granting wishes that involve domestic travel and large gatherings, which include theme parks, represent the start of our long-awaited return to normal. However, cruise and international travel wishes will not resume for a significant period of time. We can't wait until September 15th, when we can expand the types of life-changing wishes that we can grant. So please contact your Wish manager if you'd like to discuss what this change means for your Wish Kid and your family. And thank you for your patience, your cooperation, your partnership, and your trust in Make-A-Wish. Looking forward to seeing you soon.